Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Now just before we start, I just want to say if you do find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. It helps my page more than you know. So I work from home a lot and I noticed that my alarm just kept randomly going off. The car was locked, it's in a safe space, there are no issues whatsoever. So I couldn't figure out why it was doing this. So I had to look a little bit deeper. Here's how you can solve the issue in just minutes. If you have a Porsche Cayman or any VW Audi group car and you find that your alarm keeps going off randomly throughout the day, this could be the problem. So this right here is the alarm sounder. It's really easy to get to in your Porsche Cayman. You just need to open that front cover and you're right there. It's a single bolt, single plug-in connector, and off you go. Now, in a different Volkswagen Audi group vehicle, it may be in a different place. So please do check local forums and your operating manual. So now you might be thinking, Adam, why the heck am I ripping this out of my car? Well, inside this alarm sounder is a little battery, okay? And over time, the battery can fail. Now, there's two things you can do. You can either open this up, prise it open, and find a new battery for it, or you can look for a brand new unit or something secondhand, maybe from eBay. We're gonna weigh both of these up. Now, I don't fancy splitting this open. So I'm going to look for, first of all, a new part, and I'm going to see what's about secondhand. The beauty of this part is the fact that it's a standard Volkswagen Audi group part. Yes, they might look slightly different on the outside, but same connector, same mounting point, ultimately same bits and bobs inside. So I'm going to go for a slightly different part number. I believe this one's a little bit updated, and I'm going to go for that. Here we go. So remember, this part obviously is the original. The same part online was around, I think it was about £250, but I managed to pick this one up from eBay for £90, I think it was altogether. So that includes the bracket as well that you need to literally plug it straight in and fix it straight back on. So visually, obviously the parts look a little bit different. Okay, so you can see in the camera there. But that is, of course, the outer packaging. The mounting points look exactly the same. Also, where the connector plugs in, exactly the same point as well. Remember, this is a standard VW Audi group part, so I assume that they are transferable. They both say VW Audi group on them. Slight difference in part number. I think they did upgrade the part, change it slightly. So all we can do is let's get it fitted and let's see if the alarm keeps going off, shall we? Let's go. So that's part fitted, one single bolt plugged back in, and we are good to go. Let's try it. Well, happy to say, guys, that did resolve the problem for me. So if you are having problems with your alarm, give that a try.